by and take a look at the 2017 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.